Welcome back. You are now looking at aweber.com and we are inside of one of our lists, and we have created a form in order to accept names and email addresses into our email marketing list through an opt-in form. So you're going to notice three forms, and you're going to notice that if you're going to install your form, you're going to click this button. You're always given two choices. You're given the choice between the raw HTML or the JavaScript snippet. When you click the JavaScript snippet, you're going to notice that it's much shorter than the HTML version. And you're also going to notice that it's considered to be a script. And the difference is going to be that if you choose to use this JavaScript, if you go back and make changes to your form, those changes will be automatically reflected wherever this form is embedded. However, it's quite possible that you may have an application or a site where you cannot use JavaScript. If that's the case, you're going to use the raw HTML. You're going to notice that that code is much longer. And what we're going to do is we're going to copy that code and we're going to place it inside of our Notepad file. Now, you will probably not be editing any of the code inside of this autoresponder form. However, there are a few pieces of information that you're going to want to take note of that you may use in other third-party applications. In particular, you may use the list ID, which you'll find here. You may use the form ID, which you'll find here. And in some applications, you may be asked for that information. And that application will mimic the activity in this form in order to get people opted in to your email marketing list. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.